Stop scrolling. If you have anything that you're worried about your car, pay attention. Top 10 things I want to talk to you about that you should bring your car to a mechanic shop immediately. Number one, if you hear any grinding noises, all safety items, you want to make sure you get that stuff looked at and checked out. Number two, if you hear any tapping noises, knocking noises, could be your engine, could be a transmission issue, get you broken down, stuck on the side of the road somewhere. Number three, if you feel vibrations, if your car's shaking while you're driving, could be a suspension component, tire balancing issue. You want to make sure your suspension components are all solid and tight and your wheel bearings are all tight. Number four, if you're smelling a sweet smell, definitely get that checked out. Could be a coolant leak, could cause a breakdown, could cause you very expensive repairs, could blow your engine. Many bad things can happen. Number five, if you smell rubber burning smell, that could be a water pump, it could be alternator seizing up, could be a lot of issues that could get you stuck on the side of the road and cost you a lot of extra money that are unnecessary repairs. Number six, always look for fluids on the ground. Whenever you park your car, take a look at it underneath, see where you usually park it, make sure there's no leaks, avoid costly repairs and breakdowns. Number seven, if you're feeling your engine running rough and it's not sounding normal, definitely get that checked out. You can damage your catalytic converter, you could possibly damage your engine. Make sure you're on top of these things. Number eight, if you're hitting your brakes and you're noticing your steering wheel shake, you want to make sure you're stopping right, you're able to steer safely. Number nine, if you're driving down the road, you should be able to lightly touch the steering wheel and it should keep going straight. If it's pulling to one side or another, you could have a steering component worn, cause your tire wear, maybe even lose your steering. You want to definitely get that stuff checked out. And number 10, make sure there's no dash warning lights on. If you get an ABS light, you're not going to be able to stop properly in an emergency. If your check engine light's on, you want to make sure that there's nothing major causing any other issues. So if any of these things are happening to your car, definitely go ahead and give us a call.